What up, y'all? I pulled up to Hustle Ninjas, Rich right here.
What up?
We're gonna do a video. We're gonna show you guys. I didn't even know this was possible. We're gonna show you guys how you can use AI to create a design. Like, I didn't even know that was possible. So we're gonna show you the sauce.
All right, so I got Discord and Midjourney pulled up. So the problem with most AI designs is that like when you type something in, it becomes like a photorealistic design, and obviously you really don't want that when it comes to, you know, printing something on a t-shirt unless you're going full color all the time, and that can get really expensive, and DTG isn't really something that you should focus on, especially whenever you want to produce a mass. So you want to simplify things into like, you know, separate layers when it comes to screen print. So when it comes to Midjourney, I found out there's different prompts that you got to give it to give you the exact design that you actually want. So 2 prompts is a vector design, and then the other one is sticker. These simplify all of the colors for you. So now I have all of these different types of designs, skulls, fire. It literally gives you exactly what you asked for. It's not perfect every single time, but over time you will find something that you would like. You can copy it, throw it in Illustrator, turn it into a vector, make the quality a little bit more high res. And then the beauty of it is that if you still have a little bit of skills, you can make it even more creative, because you can take parts of one AI image and apply it to another AI image. So from there, we take the AI design. See right here, we got this this bulb that was on fire from over here somewhere, and we just pretty much simplified it. We took all the colors out. We only wanted the outline of it. And then we also took this right here, same concept, and then we added our own elements, our own text, and then we pretty much sent it to our screen printer. And then we also let our screen printer know which part we want it in puff and which part we just want it in flat, and that's pretty much it.
That's how y'all do it in under 2 minutes.
It was really quick.
That's crazy.
There's probably a few steps that we skipped in this video, but like the whole concept of going from AI to an actual t-shirt design is a lot more simple than you think. Just use the image trace button on Adobe Illustrator.
So do you think in the future there will be no need for graphic design artists? Like, what do you think about how the AI will impact like creatives and brands?
You still need a little bit of skill to like, AI is not perfect. I think you still need a little bit of skill to like turn it out to the way that you want it to be, because like most of the AI images are going to be like photorealistic images, and that's not a lot of the designs that people want on actual t-shirts and whatnot. So it does take a little bit of skill. It might, you know, some designers might go down, you know, if they don't have the right skills just yet, but a lot of designers might even go a lot further, because now they can elevate their skills as a designer. So, you know, it's a double-edged sword. It's just who takes advantage of it first.
So you would say it's probably good for them to use the AI as like a base layer? Like you can create a like base graphic. Yeah, foundation.
Yeah, I think it's a good foundation point.
And then you can add and remove or change the graphics, or, you know, switch it up.
Because these are 2 completely different images, right? So we got this skull right here. We got this light bulb that was on fire. Man, I can't even remember. Hold on. All right, let's see. All right, so we got this light bulb, right? But you can't even send this to your screen printer because there's too many colors going on.
It's too crazy.
Yeah, it's too crazy. You can send this to a direct-to-garment printer, but it just really depends.
Cool.
You know, I mean, it's a conversation to be had. I'm not the person to have it. Y'all feel free to let me know down below what you think.
All right, so where can people find you? I know you already the YouTube guru, but I'm gonna clip this. I'm gonna short this into Instagram. If they want to learn more about like hands-on tutorial stuff, where can they find you at?
On YouTube, it's HustleNinjas. On Instagram, it's Rich_Kun, KHUN.
Y'all go check them out.